Meditation is the crucial thing. That's why in PSSM we always talk only about meditation. Hey, come, close your eyes, become one with your breath for the next 24 hours. This is our message for everybody. Hey guy, sit calmly, cross your hands, cross your legs, close your eyes, observe your breathing for the next 24 hours. That is our constant refrain. Hey guy, come, sit with me. Let us have some music also along with the meditation. Close your eyes, close your mouth, no chanting of any mantras, no Rama and Krishna, no thinking of any person, place or situation. Make your mind empty and become one with your breath. Normal, natural breath. This is our refrain for every person, always, because that is going to help everybody all the time. So meditation is the message which you are following. I am very, very happy to hear all your reports, all your efforts. It's a great thing to see meditation everywhere. The offshoot of meditation is enlightenment. The offshoot of enlightenment is environmentalism. These are the equations, Baba. Only meditation will heal, Baba. Nothing else will heal. Only cosmic energy heals. In meditation you get cosmic energy. Only cosmic energy heals. Remember that point. And cosmic energy is got only through meditation.